I have 24-hour security cameras. I have a standby generator for one of our power cuts because, you know, we are in Africa. The little living room setup with a TV. Then right next to it is the bed setup with the closet setup in the back. Right here, small bathroom, nothing crazy. But it has all the things you need, has everything you need.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe Hitago from Authentic African, and if you want to know what a studio Airbnb looks like here in Achimota, Accra, Ghana, then this is the video for you. Okay, cool. So we are about to get a tour of the studio apartment here at the Kottage in Achimota, Accra, Ghana. Magnate Realty and Joseph from Magnate Realty, the CEO, is going to take us on the tour. So let's go. All right, guys. So we're here with Joe, who's going to give us a tour. So take it away.
So we're currently in Achimota, sitting on a plot and a half, about 2 minutes away from the Achimota Mall.
Okay.
So on the property, I have 24-hour security cameras. I have a standby generator for one of our power cuts because, you know, we are in Africa.
Yeah.
And we have 3 studio apartments and 1 3-bedroom. And a workspace, office space where we had the interview earlier.
Right.
So this is currently the space.
Right. And you mentioned there's a chef and the boys' quarters.
So the boys' quarters in the back where you have access for the property, facility manager, the chef's room, and the chef's kitchen as well. So for people who want to have access to food here on site, we have a standby chef.
Awesome.
Yes.
All right, guys. So I'm here with Joe again, and you're going to do a tour of the studio. So
Let's do it. So, welcome to the studio.
All right. So first thing, we have the living room, I see.
Yes, the little living room setup with the TV. We have the kitchenettes as well. Similar setup, having the electric hob. We have the oven, the microwave, the tap setup. And we have the fridge right here, an extractor, of course, because the studio got to have the extractor, very important.
Absolutely.
Then right next to it is the bed setup with the closet setup in the back.
Nice.
Okay. Then we have the bathroom right here, just small bathroom, nothing crazy. But it has all the things you need, has everything you need.
I also noticed that you have a hamper here too for dirty laundry. That's something that rarely people have in their place.
So I offer, because of the staff on ground, we offer laundry services.
Okay,
so
nice.
every day we come through, we pick up your laundry, we do handle laundry stuff for you. So every unit has its own laundry baskets in each room.
So you can get your laundry done,
Yes.
and you can get food here on premises. You don't really actually have to leave here for those basic necessities.
Exactly.
Nice, nice. All right, guys, so that concludes the studio tour here in Achimota, Accra, Ghana. If you know anybody, single, maybe a couple, who's coming to Ghana and they're interested in finding somewhere to stay, shoot this over to them. You can hit that share button so that they can get that video. Also, if you have any questions or comments, put those in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime a new video comes out. If you found this video interesting, hit that thumbs up. And with that, guys, thanks for watching. See you all on the next video. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video.